Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to change profile name in Facebook without posting. So to do that, let's head over to the Facebook application first. Once you are there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and head over to the three lines icon on the top right. Now go to the settings icon on the top right. Now go to your account center. Now go to your profile. Now go to Facebook profile. Now here you'll find the name option and username option. So go to name and here you can change your name, first name, middle name and surname. So make sure you tap on review change, otherwise your new name won't be saved. So make sure you do that. And there is something we need to tell you that once you change your name on your Facebook profile, there uh, like quietly there is no post that is made by Facebook, and this is average, nothing new. Facebook doesn't make any post of you have changed your name like they do for your profile picture. So you can change your profile name anytime and you don't have to be worried about getting posted about this. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next video.